Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing with Town Go series sets with the Marple Cat and the Marshmallow Mouse. But first I want to show you the boxes. So on the back side we can see a little bit of information about them. The Marple Cat is what's her name? Okay, she's the owner of a flower shop. Her name is Miranda. Miranda is always followed by gentle floral fragrance. She fills the town with greenery and flowers. Her gentle smile and chatter is known to brighten up the days of those who come to her shop. Sounds really lovely. And who is fifth one? The incredibly knowledgeable Stephanie. Oh, her name is Stephanie. Stephanie works as a furniture designer. She comes up with all kinds of ideas and creates amazing furniture and interior designs. You'll learn so many new things from talking to her, which is why Stella often comes to her for advice. They often get lost in conversation and talk deep into the night. They must be really good friends with Stella. So with our fashionable girls, we came with collection catalogs and with storybooks. Now I'll quickly show you the pictures of them, and you can pause to read them if you want to. The storybooks look really interesting, and I think that I might be film the readers using their stories one day. Now let's get them out. So with a Marple Cat girl with the bronze brooch on her dress, and the dress in general looks really lovely, and with her pink flower bag with brown handle, and the tail. She's really very cute. And we also have this Marshmallow Mouse girl with a pretty nice pink handbag with the yellow handle. She's wearing the green dress and with her tail. Each of the sets also included the diorama. They look like this. So please guys, share the video with your friends if it's not difficult. Love you all. Bye.